Alrighty, today we're gonna make some coconut curry chicken. I have some chicken thighs here. These are boneless, skinless. You could use bone-in if you prefer. We got a can of coconut milk, onion, 2 peppers, curry powder, garlic powder, black pepper, salt. I have some basmati rice. It's in the rice cooker now. So let's go ahead and get season up the chicken, and I'll cut up the vegetables. Okay, when you're using boneless, skinless chicken breast, I like to put a little olive oil in the pan because there's not much fat in the chicken. So we just add a little bit of olive oil just to get it. I got the heat on a medium, I guess. I season one side of the chicken and then I put that side down. My pan is hot. You want your pan to be hot. Put the chicken down. Put the seasoned side down, and then you can season the top side after this is in the pan. Alright, I'm going to season up the second side. For cooking the chicken, I would say about 5 to 10 minutes. You want to get a nice color on the one side, and then you can flip it over. That brown color is flavor. So we flipped over. Oh, that one could be a little bit more brown. We're not cooking this totally right now. This is going to simmer underneath a covered pot after we add the other ingredients. Okay, I've sliced up my vegetables. I would say a 1/4-inch slice on my one onion. Was a large onion, and I have a red and orange pepper. You can use a yellow pepper. You can use green peppers. That's what I prefer. Okay, we're going to let this cook for another, I would say, 5 to 7 minutes. Then we're going to remove this and put it on a platter and let that sit and add the vegetables. Okay, I removed the chicken. The chicken has a little color on it. We're just going to leave, there's only a little bit of fat in the bottom, and we're going to add our vegetables into that. At this point, you could add a little bit more olive oil if there wasn't enough fat in the chicken, just to get it started. And we're going to let this saute just for a few minutes. Okay, I added some salt, a little bit of salt to the vegetables. What that will do will help the peppers release their liquid. The peppers do release a lot of water after you cook it. I let it saute for about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add the chicken back on here. And add the chicken back on. Put it right on top of your vegetables. Any juices that were left in the pan, because like we said, the chicken is not cooked at this point. Add those juices back into that pan. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cover this up because we want this to cook now. I'm going to get a cover. Put a cover on that. I'm going to lower the heat to a simmer. And we're going to let that go for about 35-40 minutes until that chicken is cooked and the vegetables are cooked down. Meanwhile, our rice is cooked, hanging in the rice cooker. It only took me about 35 years to figure out about a rice cooker. Greatest invention ever. We've been letting this go for about 30 minutes. The cover here, and you can see all the liquid that has been released from the peppers. Again, I'm going to remove the chicken one more time. You can see it's getting very tender. The chicken is probably done at this point. I'm going to remove the chicken because it's just going to make it easier when we add our coconut cream. Okay, you can look in here and determine. This doesn't look like that much liquid. It's enough liquid, but not too much. If you find that it's really liquidy, I would remove some of it because we want the sauce to be a little creamy. At this point, we're going to add the coconut milk. A whole can. Put that in there. Let's mix that up. The reason why I removed the chicken, it makes stirring in this a little bit easier. I'm going to add some garlic powder. I would say probably a teaspoon. And some curry powder. This we're going to go to taste. I would say for me, I would add like 2 tablespoons to get a real nice curry flavor. But Again, that's to your taste. Let's mix this up. And we're going to throw the chicken back in. What we want to do is we want to cook the chicken so that it falls apart, because we're going to break this up. It'll actually shred up the chicken. So there you go. I can smell that curry. Okay, once you see it start bubbling, then we can lower the heat again, back down to a simmer, back down to the simmer, and we'll cover it up and let it go for about, like I said, 20-30 minutes until the chicken is like falling apart. Okay? Okay. Let's take this off. Here we go. Now, usually you can take the chicken out, but I just kind of take my tongs here and I kind of just push down on the chicken, and you can see it just falls apart. Hopefully shreds on its own. But the chicken is pretty much shredded. That's done. You pour that over some nice rice. I have the rice in the rice cooker. Pour that over a nice bowl of rice and you got dinner. Okay, enjoy.